Eloise? What do you say? The frog? The frog princess?
The frog.
Okay, we'll read this one. The Frog Prince. Well, how can a frog be a prince?
It turns into a prince.
Princess Poppy was furious. I won't marry Prince Humperdinck, she said. He's smelly and smug and slimier than a frog. Oh dear. You don't have to marry him now, said her mother. You just have to marry him when you grow up. I never want to marry him, said Poppy. I'd rather eat my toenails. What? Eat your toenails? Poppy, don't be so rude. I'll find another prince to marry, she snapped. You can have until tomorrow morning, said the king, but you'll never find a prince in that time. Just you wait, said Poppy, and she stomped into the garden with her golden ball.